Welcome to our exploration of subatomic particles. Today, we will learn about protons, neutrons, and electrons, which are the three fundamental building blocks that make up every atom in the universe. These tiny particles are essential to understanding chemistry and the nature of matter itself. Subatomic particles are particles that are smaller than an atom. The word subatomic literally means below or within the atomic level. These particles come together to form the structure of an atom. There are three main types of subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Each of these particles has unique properties that determine how atoms behave and interact with each other. Let's start with protons. Protons are subatomic particles that carry a positive electrical charge, which we represent as +1. They are located in the nucleus, which is the dense center of the atom. The mass of a proton is approximately 1.673 times 10 to the power of -27 kilograms. Protons are represented by the symbol P with a plus sign. The number of protons in an atom determines what element it is, making protons incredibly important for an atom's identity. Next, we have neutrons. Neutrons are particles with no electrical charge, which is why they are called neutral. Like protons, neutrons are also found in the nucleus of the atom. The mass of a neutron is approximately 1.675 times 10 to the power of -27 kilograms, making it slightly heavier than a proton. Neutrons are represented by the symbol N with a 0 superscript. Neutrons help stabilize the nucleus and add to the atomic mass of an element. Finally, let's discuss electrons. Electrons are subatomic particles that carry a negative electrical charge, represented as -1. Unlike protons and neutrons, electrons are not in the nucleus. Instead, they move around the nucleus in regions called the electron cloud or orbitals. Electrons are extremely light, with a mass of approximately 9.109 times 10 to the power of -31 kilograms. They are represented by the symbol E with a minus sign. Electrons are responsible for chemical bonding and reactions. Now let's compare all three particles side by side. Protons have a charge of +1, are located in the nucleus, and have a relative mass of 1. Neutrons have 0 charge, are also in the nucleus, and have a relative mass of 1, nearly identical to protons. Electrons have a charge of -1, are found in the electron cloud, and have a relative mass of only 1 divided by 1,836, making them much lighter than the other two particles. This comparison helps us understand how these particles work together to form atoms. Understanding where these particles are located is crucial. The nucleus is the dense center of the atom and contains both protons and neutrons. Because protons and neutrons have nearly the same mass and are packed tightly together, the nucleus contains almost all of the atom's mass despite being incredibly small. The electron cloud, on the other hand, is the space surrounding the nucleus where electrons move in specific energy levels or orbitals. Although electrons are much lighter, they occupy most of the atom's volume. Here are some key facts to remember. First, protons and neutrons have nearly equal mass, both approximately 1 atomic mass unit. Second, electrons are about 1,836 times lighter than protons, which is why they contribute very little to the atom's total mass. Third, the number of protons determines the element's identity. For example, all carbon atoms have 6 protons. Finally, neutral atoms have equal numbers of protons and electrons, which balances the positive and negative charges, making the atom electrically neutral overall. Let's summarize what we have learned today. Protons carry a positive charge and are located in the nucleus. Neutrons have no charge and are also found in the nucleus alongside protons. Electrons carry a negative charge and move in the electron cloud surrounding the nucleus. Together, these three subatomic particles combine to form atoms, which are the building blocks of all matter. Understanding these particles is the foundation for learning chemistry and exploring the amazing world of atomic structure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.